Welcome back to Traders, Stackers, and Truthers. Silver Goldman here. We're Sunday, April 29, 2018. All right, so I've already sent an email to you traders. I figured I'd cover a couple of questions that I received after sending out that email on Bitcoin Cash. Now, before I get into Bitcoin Cash and the other question was on PRIMECOIN, I want to cover another topic here, and that's the video I uploaded yesterday on Bitcoin News YouTube. Cause and effect. Well, guys, you want to hear something on? Roughly, I'd say about, I can't be precise here, I don't know when, but it was about 4 hours later I noticed that the video that they had chopped down, remember that was what I was saying in that video, they had chopped down my latest hangout. Instead of the full 2 hours and 55 minutes, it was only it was an hour 55. Long story short, roughly 4 hours after the video was uploaded, this cause and effect. The link that's shared in the Bitcoin News, because that's what the video was all about, letting you know, go check out that Bitcoin News one. Bitcoin Ben got exposed for lying, and some other important news there. Anyhow, long story short, the video itself is right back to 2 hours and 55 minutes long. How do you like them apples? I've never had that before. This thing was streamed yesterday, the day before in the afternoon. It had already been processed. It was uploaded, and there I was the following morning. That's what that video was about. The following morning, I'm seeing that the video, after it's been processed, they've chopped off 55 minutes length. The beginning of the video. The Bitcoin News, the exposure of Bitcoin Ben and JSNIP4 and their lies regarding Litecoin being used by Amazon and all the other shenanigans. Well, like I said, I came back and now the video is back to normal. How do you like them apples? All right, next up. So PRIMECOIN is something that unfortunately I can't prove it right now because as you all know, this is my backup channel, right? To the original Silver Goldman. The original Silver Goldman, as it was heading up to 6,000. The plug was pulled by JSNIP4 and Trader Boss after exposing them for their lies. And I may be actually heading to court here with JSNIP4 on the THETA pump, the scam he did on that one. So hang tight. We got some big stuff coming up here. I don't know if Simpy's going to be willing to step into the courtroom with me, but I told him, lawyer up, buddy. Let's go. Long story short, they took down that channel, but you may recall, if you've been watching me long enough, I made a video one day and I said, okay, this one's for Snippy and the gang. Well, it wasn't for Snippy, it was actually for the gang because they'd lost so much money in 2017 with the ICO pumping that I wanted to give them a winner. A winner! So I made a video, a public one. I said, okay, this PRIMECOIN, I mean, anybody can follow it, you know, but I was saying that I'm making this video here for you JSNIP4 followers who've always got caught in these pumps, bought them at the highs and only to end up with selling off and you're in the hole for the next 6 months. That's not fun. So I made a video and I told them, I said, but here's a coin, it's called PRIMECOIN, you get in there and I don't know how long it's going to, before it starts popping, but at least you're not getting suckered into something here at the highs. You'll be able to hold a coin and it'll probably increase in value. I don't know how many of them decided to get in there. Long story short, well, as you can see, bada boom, bada bing, she's popping. I don't know if they followed me in there, but at one point they could have had this for, I mean, we're talking 6 cents here. As of right now, we're $2.11. Let me refresh that. No, it's still $2.11. And that's after the big sell-off. Remember that. This thing just had a big boom, up and away. We're talking at a bottom there of 9 cents to a high of $2.81. So I don't know how many of them jumped in there. I know some of my traders have got into this coin, and the emails, or just 2 emails I've received on PRIMECOIN. What do you think? Silver Goldman should take some profit on that? Hey guys, anytime they pop that much, I can't tell you what to do, but as I was doing the Vertcoin, remember that day it popped, was it 87 or 92% on that day? It's usually quite wise to take profit when you have such a fast rise in a short period of time. They pretty much always come back. And I'm not telling you have to sell your entire position, but, you know, I'm not telling you anything. In fact, I'm just telling you what I would do. When they pop that much and you're down at 9 cents and just a few days later you're up at $2.81, oh, mamma mia, mamma mia. Like, think about it, guys. You made a shitload of cash. All right, talking about a shitload of cash. Traders, as you've known, or probably are aware by now, I decided to jump out of the Bitcoin Cash. And I'm sitting all in US dollars. And I just want to underline, you know, I don't have to share this publicly, but I wanted to because I like throwing salt in wounds. So all those haters out there, Silver Gold Man doesn't know how to trade, yada, 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 yada. Well, I just said publicly that I had, well, originally it was 7.1 Bitcoin, but someone, one of the investors in the crypto mining co-op had decided to ask for their money back, so it went down $7,000. So do the math on that. At that point, Bitcoin was kicking around 7,800, if I'm not mistaken, 7,600. So we dropped a little under 7 Bitcoin. The value, though, I did tell you guys, well, you know, after that person had taken out their money, we're sitting at $51,000. Today, we're sitting at $87,990 in that very short period of time from when I made the video publicly saying that I was going to ask the traders if they wanted to give me their coins. Give me. Well, I was surprised. Quite a few, in fact, almost all jumped in and said, yeah, you can have my coins. They're yours. So, good news for those of you to jump in. As I said, I was splitting a profit 60-40 with you guys. We've just made a little bit of cash here in the last little run-up. So, same thing with PRIMECOIN. I can't tell you what to do, but when they pop that much, it's usually a good idea to take some cash and, you know, buy the wife a nice present or take her out to a good meal or something of the sorts. Buy some kids some nice clothes, something they want, not what you want. All right, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, up and away.